Ooh, scary. It's like a Novsight, man. It's getting dark out. We need the Novsight lights. All right. I'm getting starting to get towards twilight, so we're getting ready here. We got the 4-inch quad lights, Novsight, novsights.com. I'm not a big fan of these covers, as if you don't have nails, sometimes they're hard to get off. So those are the lights. There's two settings. There's two separate buttons up there on the switch. These are yellow. These 4 are on the outside, and the one in the middle is white. So you hit one button, all the yellow comes on. You turn it off. You hit the other button, the yellow comes on plus the white. So you have yellow most of the time. I'm curious to see how it's going to be in the dark. The Novsight 2-inch lights that I tested before, those were awesome. Nice and bright spotlights. These are supposedly spotlights too. So we'll see how they work. Okay, there's the switch. That there will give you the mixture. Yellow with the white. White in the middle, yellow around. Second switch gives you straight yellow. So we're going to see how that does. Should be interesting. Alright, I'm going to test the Novsight 4-inch quad lights. These are the lights that are all yellow, or you can go yellow with a bit of white in it. So right now I got the low beams on, stock low beams on the ATV. That's stock high. So I'm going to hit the yellow first. There's straight yellow. Turn off the lights. That's pretty damn good. And then I'm going to turn off the yellow, and there's the yellow with the white. Got them aimed just a tiny bit low. I can adjust them, but it's nice to be able to see down in front. There's with the low beam on from the bike, low beam off. You can just see the white in the center. All the rest is yellow, and that's totally yellow. But I mean, you can see the bush obviously very well. Yeah, I'm not sure how the GoPro is picking it up, so I'm going to also use my cell phone stationary right now. Cell phone doesn't work on the bike, unfortunately. It vibrates too much and creates too much of an interference. So turn those off. Back to the normal lights. So I'm going to try them on the trail. See how they are going down the trail here. Alright, we're down on the trail, very dark. I don't know if you can see the outline of my camera in the bush there, but low beam, high beam, strictly yellow. Take off the low beam, high beam. So that's the yellow. It's kind of eerie going through there, strictly yellow. I'm also gonna try this new microphone. Well, it's not new, but it's my other microphone was dying, so we're trying this one. It's in a different position, so I don't know if you can hear me or not. I'm hoping you can. So we're gonna do a little run down the trail here. So I'm running the tripod over. GoPro is going to pick up this. So as far as I'm concerned, in my eyes, I can see very well. The end of my little trail, haven't done anything else to it yet. Okay, I'm going to switch these out. Here's with the white and the yellow. Very easy to see, not overpowering. Run down the trail again for the cell phone's sake, just in case the GoPro's not picking it up. This is still with the white and yellow, no ATV lights on. They're not as bright as the 2-inch pods that I had on before, but these are, like, that's 150 feet, whether the GoPro is picking it up or not. You can see pretty easily. I like the white and yellow. I'm not a big fan of straight yellow. It might have its uses in the fog or something, I'm not sure. Not going to get foggy around here for probably another 6 months. Yeah, trim this tree a little bit. That's a couple hundred feet down the trail easily, no problem. That's with the white and the yellow mix. They're not hot. It might get a little warm, but that's about it. I don't think you're going to burn yourself. It's like a scarecrow, and I think I'm hanging down there too. Nice. Okay, we're running on the country road here. Do a little test. Turn on the yellow. Turn off the top light. That's running straight yellow. Stock low right now. I'm going to put on strictly yellow. Turn off the stock lows. That's just the Novsight yellow. Off. Novsight yellow and white. I do like the white a bit better. Up very good, but hopefully it is. Hopefully my mic's picking my voice up too. Alright, that's the test of the Novsight 4-inch pods yellow-white mix or strictly yellow. I'm going to keep them on. They do well for what I do, so thanks for watching, everyone.